Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I took a very curly-headed little cute Blythe, and this is how I fixed her hair. I just love her. I'll show you her beads and outfit in a minute. She actually has a skirt and a top on made out of that same frog material I was showing yesterday on my little green-haired Megan. Her name is the Little Redhead Girl, just like Charlie Brown. Charles Schulz had a little girl or a girl from work that he really fell for. And back in the day, you dated. You didn't have one guy that you went out with. You went out with a lot of different guys. And someone else beat him to the proposal of the Little Redhead Girl. I gave her little emerald earrings, and let's look at her eyes. Notice they say luck on the one side, and they have some shamrocks on the other. She had the green eyes. I love the blue. I'll tell you what, every color I opened up on this doll, I absolutely love the eyes with this hair. So I'm gonna set her on these right now. I love this doll. So let me show you how I tamed this hair, but I do wanna show you, these are from, I just did another doll, not like this one, and I'm not sure I'm going to do her hair as straight or as pulled back as this one. But one thing you can do with this hair is pull it back and just put these on. Don't tighten them down too thick unless you want to cut them off. And put 2 or 3 on so it weights the hair down. What you don't want to do is brush this hair. Let me show you what I did. I've had this girl a couple weeks now, and I opened this bag, and anytime you disturb this hair, see how cute she is? Oh my God, look at this hair. Oh my. What I want to do is restyle her. So to start, I'm going to crack her head open, give her some eyebrows, and do just a little face up, and then we're gonna, I don't know, maybe I should do the hair first. Let's see how this goes. I just wanted to show you the puffiness even in the bag. This is my little redheaded girl, and I have pulled her hair back and tight up here. And now I'm gonna wash it. You know what? I'm gonna cut that out. I'm not gonna pull on her hair and knot it. I'm gonna give her a hair wash, and then I'm gonna heat some water up in a cup in the microwave. Put it in here, you know, spill it out. I don't want you to think I'm gonna leave that sit like that. Add Downy. I will add 1 cupful of Downy to this. And then I will put my doll's hair in there, and I will leave her like this for, I might leave her 20 minutes or so. Reason I call this the Downy dip is I actually do it like this. When I'm done with that, I will run a thick, a thick comb. Look at that, she's got somebody else's hair in there. Oh, that was left over from a different doll. I'll run a thick comb through that, and we'll see if we can straighten it just a little more. But look already, just from having it pulled down with that rubber band, I could actually style her hair right now and make it work. Isn't that cute? I love them with the hair all up and crazy, but I wanted to try something different. This is my own comb. It's the only thing I use on my hair. When my own hair is wet, I comb it out with this, and I leave it for 24 hours, well, till the next morning, and then I comb it with this. That's what I did with hers also. When I was doing the dunking, when I finished, I took this comb and used it on her hair. You don't yank it down, you roll it, kind of roll it up like this. And I'm not going to do anything. We'll see what it looks like when it dries, but I won't comb it again, at least until it's dry. She has a part that I found and dug out, and I'm hoping that the drying pulls down on her hair. I want to show you the back again. I am so pleased. This is what I was hoping for. Very curly, not kinky. This is where we are so far with her hair. This is how she dried. I did not pick it or anything after she dried. And I just wanted to show you this because I'm getting ready to do a face up on her. She definitely needs eyebrows. But I wanted to show you how cute her hair came out. Look at it. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. This is what I was hoping for right here. And maybe even a little less curl. But I wanted to show you because when I take her head off and do the face up, it might not stay this nice. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about her hair, this mess, the bike, the whole frog scene. And let me know if you have bought or have any of these curly hair Blythe dolls and what you have done with their hair. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.